In this episode, we are going to taste a craft beer na ginawa sa Baler, Quezon. But we're going to taste it here in Zambales. Hi everyone, this is NJ Mijares and I review craft beers. So ano inumin natin today? This one is made by Happy Side Craft Brewery. So taga Baler nga yung gumawa nito and he only makes the smallest batches of beers na binibenta niya dun sa Baler. Ang style nitong beer na to is West Coast IPA. I don't know exactly how it's made or why it's called West Coast IPA. But as far as I know, ito yung mga klase ng beer na pinaka-bitter or pinaka-mapapait. It's 7.0% alcohol by volume. Red Horse beer is only 6.9%. They call it strong beer. Extra strong beer. But this one is 7.0 alcohol by volume. The design of the can is very simple. Look at that. There's a sunset dun sa label. And then it says here where the sun sets. Now when it comes to craft beers, ang mga favorite ko talaga is yung mga IPA at saka yung mga stouts. So I'm very excited to taste this one. Also, I'm also particularly excited kasi this is one of the few craft beers na hindi taga Manila, and I've been always wanting to go to Baler para lang matikman or para lang mapuntahan itong brewery na to. But good thing, nung pumunta sa Manila itong brewer nito, he messaged me and he told me na magdadala siya ng mga cans and he offered to bring some cans for me. The color is beautiful. It's a little bit hazy. Look at that. And it's very bright yellow golden color. It's not transparent unlike your usual ales, of course. This one, because it's IPA, medyo hazy siya. Ang bright ng saturation ng kulay niya, if you can see that. It's very fruity. Ang lakas ng aroma niya, guys. I'm sensing some citrus. Meron ba siyang adjuncts na ginamit? Parang wala. It's just the usual malted barley, hops, water, and yeast. I'm excited to taste this. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's very refreshing. It's very refreshing. It's not as bitter as I was expecting. There are a lot of IPAs na natikman ko na, lalo na West Coast IPAs. Unang lunok mo pa lang sa lalamunan mo, you can already sense and feel the bitterness. But this one, I don't feel like it's the bitterness, hindi siya overpowering. I think it's just right. Sarap niya inumin. And then habang iniinom mo, mas naamoy mo yung aroma niya, mas na-enhance yung experience nung inom sa lalamunan at saka dun sa ilong pag naghalo yung dalawang sensation. It's great. I like it. And the finish of this beer is also long and pleasant. Ibig sabihin long, ibig sabihin yung kanina mo pa na ilunok, pero yung flavor ng beer at yung taste ng beer nagsistay pa rin ng matagal dun sa lalamunan. So where can you get this Happy Side craft beers? They have it available in Kubli Bistro and Wahana Cabin sa Baler, Quezon. So kung mapupunta kayo dun sa area na yun, be sure to check it out. Happy Side craft beer. I got this can for only 180 pesos. It's a little bit expensive, but that's okay. As long as I'm able to support Pinoy craft beers, I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to pay that kind of money sa mga beers na iniinom ko. Para sa local craft beers, suporta. By the way guys, nandito ako ngayon it's a place called Hanan Private Villa here in Zambales. It's right in the heart of Liuliwa here in Zambales. It's a beach town resort na naging sikat na sa mga turista, surfers, and yung mga weekend tourists na gustong umalis sa Manila. Medyo malayo din siya sa Metro Manila, mga 3.5 hour drive. But it's okay. Dire-diretso naman ang biyahe, walang traffic because panay highway ang dadaan. But when you get here, the beach town is very cool. Ang ganda ng vibe ng beach town. And also, the house itself is very cool. Ang ganda ng vibe ng lugar. Mamaya bibigyan ko kayo ng tour nitong house kung saan kami nagsistay.